This is Lee Mallett with Mallett Buildings. This is going to be the beginning of a 23-part series on why Mallett Buildings is your best choice. Today's topic is going to be 5-year workmanship. Mallett Buildings, on its premium building, its #1 building, offers a 5-year workmanship warranty. I do not know of any other company in the United States that offers a 5-year workmanship warranty. That is unheard of. But we're so confident in the materials and the workmanship of our builders, we're able to offer a 5-year workmanship warranty. So when you decide to build your building, ask that person that I'm bidding against, what's your workmanship warranty? Odds are it's going to be 1 or 2 years. We're at 5. Ask him, why don't you do 5? It's a simple answer. He don't want to stand behind his work for 5 years. I do. So with that, give me a call, come see us. We'd love to earn your business, or you can call me at